Alright, that last one was getting a little long video-wise, a step there, so we'll jump to a new step. This one's more about getting images. A lot of people are worried about where do they get the images, or they're copywritten or right or whatever, blah blah blah. So we're going to show you a little bit of that. Of course, I already told you about Pixabay, right? And the other one would be like Google Images, so we'll just go through that quickly. So I just put in here Trump just because there's going to be lots of images of him for no particular reason, just to show you what's at Pixabay. So some of these things, if you're in this, you know, you're looking for a picture, there's one there. That could be good, right? You got a bunch of them, but not great, right? We'll just see what this guy says here. What kind of picture it is. Okay, no attribution, same, so it's actually not too bad. You could crop it. Too bad the microphone's in the way, right? Okay, so in that case, we might want to check some images out here on Google. Let's put Trump images here, and you can check this out, right? You can see a bunch of things come up here, so you can use the orange ones, and there's all them. There's the baby. What you might want to do here, though, is you go up to Tools, Usage Rights, and we'll say label for reuse with modification, or even reuse is good, but still a lot of images, so sometimes you don't get all these images, right? Okay, looks pretty good, this one here, but you got to kind of read what it is here, because even though you say there's a commons, Wikipedia or Wikimedia in that case. Okay, same here, right? So if we catch this one, just for an example, we'll see what's on Flickr here. Say we wanted to use that one, and it says right here, may be subject to copyright, right? And say we'll check out on, and even on here on may be subject to copyright. So you got to find out, check it out. Anyway, so the other alternative to that is, you don't want to worry about that, is just actually take an image out of a video that's already there, because then you don't have to worry about copyright. It's a video and you're just capturing that image. So, okay, for example, this is a good one here. We can check out more, because unlike this one, so he's got a microphone in front of his face. This one's got better lighting. Same with that one. Okay, so we'll open up these in a new tab. There's a video here, and check out what it is. And the larger you have it, if you want to go full screen, then, which is good, or we'll see what the quality will be better if you take a screenshot. So what you want to do, I'm on a Mac, so you can hold down Shift Command and number 4, or I think it's called the snippet tool on Windows. Or you can go get a program called Jing, Jing, and that program, I don't know if I can open it up down here for you to see or not. Jing, that's a good program, freebie again, you can use to get images. Okay, so let's look at what we got here, and we'll see what we can capture. We don't care what he's saying, of course. Some kind of good side shots there. What about that one where he was like pointing there? Okay, let's see what we got. Not the whole hand, but still a pretty good shot. So just for instance, I'm on the Mac, like I say, so I'll just do a quick Shift Command 4. If you do 3, it gets a whole screen, but in this case, we can draw it out what we want. How's that look? Good. Let's see what else we get. So you get the idea. Too bad they got this stuff at the bottom. But it's a good side shots. This one. Got one coming up with that hand gesture. That's another good one. Okay, so I'll take a shot of that. Won't waste too much of your time on this, but just kind of showing you how to get these images. And then we'll just grab one. Where's this one from? MSNBC. Okay, Okay, this has got some really good facial front shots. Look at that one's good. So you kind of just get the idea, you mess around with that. Again, I'll just take a screenshot of that. Looking good. Actually, I'll take this guy and do a closer, crop a little closer here so I don't have to worry about it later. Yeah, that's good, right? We'll see how that is on the image size. Like I say, if you go full screen, you'll be able to get the whole thing up.